This video will show you how to assemble and disassemble the internal gas saturator on the Micromeritics Breakthrough Analyzer. Remember to always consult your operator's manual for more detailed information. First, verify the unit is at ambient pressure and room temperature. Open the pneumatic door on the breakthrough system using the software or the touchscreen located on the unit. Then, use a 2.5 mm Allen wrench to remove the screws that hold the housing. Once the housing is removed, the marked nut can be unscrewed. The nut and O-ring serve for fastening the saturator, and it can be tightened or loosened without wrenches. Now, remove the saturator body from the base. Once removed, it can be filled. The liquid reservoir for the gas saturator has a volume of 50 milliliters, therefore it should be filled with a maximum of 45 millimeters of fluid, or 90% of the total capacity. Once it's done, carefully reassemble the gas saturator to avoid any spillage of the liquid. Make sure the O-ring is placed correctly on the head of the saturator. Finally, perform a leak check to verify the vapor saturator has been properly reassembled. Please refer to the leak test video for more detailed information. You have now assembled and disassembled the internal gas saturator on the Micromeritics Breakthrough Analyzer. For more information, visit micromeritics.com/learn.